It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, the 20th of February. I'm James Spann. Rain moves in tomorrow. The rest of the week looking fairly dry, and then cooler for the weekend and maybe stormy next week. Let's discuss things. Here's the water vapor satellite view across the country. Nice upper trough west of the state. We got some high clouds around today in Alabama and rain not that far away. Rain over about the eastern half of Texas into parts of Louisiana and Arkansas, and that's the weather that we will see tomorrow. Temperatures are very mild again today. 70s on the board. Birmingham at 73. Tuscaloosa 75. Now, tomorrow's going to be cooler because of clouds and rain, but around the nation, no really cold air. The flow of Arctic air is shut down, so we'll go right back in the 70s later this week. There's the watch warning map. The eastern half of the country is quiet. Got a number of flash flood watches for parts of the northwestern states, including Northern California. Here's the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. A risk of severe weather, only a marginal risk for parts of central and south Louisiana. And then tomorrow, much of the country with no thunder. Here in Alabama, maybe some thunder for the southwestern part of the state, basically from Utah, Greensboro, Demopolis, south down to Mobile. But for many places, no thunder despite the rain we expect tomorrow. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. This is suggesting rain amounts of about 1/2 to 1 inch. And this is valid through Monday morning of next week. And this is the high-res 4-kilometer NAM showing the rain we get tomorrow. And it's got about 1 inch for Tuscaloosa and Birmingham, about a 1/2 inch for Anniston and Gadsden. So that 1/2 to 1 inch sounds about right. And the bulk of that will be tomorrow and tomorrow night, as you'll see. Here we go, model fans. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. You see the upper trough digging down through Louisiana. Down below that, a broad surface low is near Memphis, and rain is moving into the state. We'll check again the high-res NAM. 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, rain west of I-65. 12 noon, rain covers much of the state. 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, the rain keeps on coming. And even into Wednesday morning, this is Wednesday morning at 6 o'clock. Still evidence of some leftover showers. So pretty good little soaking rain event here. So the bottom line is tomorrow cloudy with rain and temperatures holding in the low to mid-60s much of the day. For during the day Wednesday, showers will be ending during the morning. Not so sure the sun breaks out with that look. Moisture kind of wrapping in from the east with a surface low that's over the eastern Gulf. So Wednesday looks like a cloudy day. We'll push up towards 70, and any showers will likely be fairly early Wednesday morning. Thursday, the disturbance over Florida keeps moving away from us. Thursday should be a nice day, partly sunny with mid-70s. And Friday, again, mid-70s are likely, maybe upper 70s in spots. We note that very deep surface low that's north of St. Louis. And if this verifies, maybe some big snow, blizzard conditions almost for parts of Iowa, Minnesota, up into the Great Lakes. And again, the trailing front is fairly inactive here. And we note the SPC guys and their Day 5 outlook do have a risk of severe weather north of the state. Indiana and some of the surrounding states. But down here, looks like we'll be capped off. The moisture's limited, so I think the day will be dry. We will mention a chance of showers and storms Friday night. This is Friday night at midnight. And looks like for about the northern half of the state. And I'd say the chance of severe weather is pretty low. Not zero, but pretty low. But the main dynamic support so far north. And then Saturday, a breezy and cooler day. We might just stay in the 50s all day. The latest GFS printing a high of only 59, despite a sunny sky with a cool north breeze. These are the anomalies, and you can see temperatures go below average on Saturday. So sharply cooler. This is Sunday. We might be close to freezing in spots Sunday morning. The GFS for Birmingham printing 35. That means the colder pockets should see upper 20s and low 30s. But Sunday should be a bright sunny day, and the high will be around 60. Now, next week, we've seen all kinds of solutions. It's a very active pattern. It's going to be hard to identify the individual waves far in advance, but this is Monday. The flow is still fairly zonal, and this is suggesting maybe some showers west of the state. We have seen other runs with a deeper surface low that's like over Arkansas, but this run doesn't show that. But later in the week, it does. This is Wednesday evening of next week, the 1st of March. A deep surface low is located southwest of Indianapolis with a trailing front. And again, if that were to verify, we could see strong, maybe severe storms out there toward the middle of next week. And this is the end of the forecast period Thursday the 2nd, the trough lifting out. Big storm up over Buffalo with cooler conditions here. Check the numbers coming off the European. You can see the highs again tomorrow only in the around 63 because of clouds and rain. We go back in the 70s on Thursday and Friday. And after that, no sign of any really cold air. But again, I wouldn't be shocked if some spots saw a freeze here by early Sunday morning this coming weekend. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on TV, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.